I have a blind here, and this little pin here, this little plastic piece here that ties this together with this blind, to pull the blind, it broke open. Right here you can see how it broke. So I went to the store where I bought the blind. It's Blinds to Go, and they actually gave me a new replacement piece, and they're easy to replace. I'm just going to show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. Instead of bringing the whole blind into the store, you can just change this yourself. They give you this for free, no problem. You just go in and tell me broke it, and they'll give you another one of these to replace it with, which is super easy to do. So all you have to do is take out the old one, like you see here, and it's just a little knot. You undo the knot. I got a paper clip and actually got it loose. So that's another way of getting the knot out, so you can work with it like that and just work with it with the paper clip. If you don't want to cut the string, which I did not want to cut the string, I just wanted to get this knot out, as you can see here. Okay, then I pulled out, got the knot out, and you want to run it through the hole, so like you see here, not the big hole, but the small hole. Okay, and then you want it up here. I'll show you. Small hole, and you run it up to the big hole, and then you just tie a knot back. Basically, just tying the knot back in, you're tying in the new piece. It's that simple. Make one knot, make two knots. That way, it double locks it in, and it won't go anywhere once you get that double knot in there, like that. And it's not going anywhere. And then that slides in there. Now that's inside the first piece. So now what we want to do is get the second set of strings through, again, the small hole here of the big hole, tie the knot, and then it goes right inside the hole. And that's how you do it. So let's just get these strings off, and that'll be another challenge to get all these knots undone. There's 4 strings here. Again, we're going to use a paper clip method, and let's work on that, and I'll get right back to when I get it loose. One loose, they'll all start loosening up pretty easily. Just keep working at it. Okay, so now that we got them all out, put the paper clip down. Okay, so now we have to get all these strings together. And we're going to run them through the hole, like I told you. Okay, we're going to go through the small hole and out the big hole in the bottom. So let's run these here. This will be the tricky part. Okay, that's all 4 of them. Let's just run this up here. Make sure these are all straight. Okay, so now you can see this is on. Okay, so this is here, and you're going to just tie a knot, and basically right to the bottom of this piece here is go down to as far as you can go to the end, and just tie the knot again, and you're good to go. Make sure you get all 4 together like that. That'll go inside there, and that'll be good to go. And that's it. So let's just get that all together. And as you can see, the new one is installed, just like you see here. That's perfect, and it works exactly right to the top, as you can see there. And then pull it right open. Exactly what you need. And that's how you replace these. You can do it yourself very easily and simply. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave some comments down below if you enjoyed this tutorial.